All right, y'all, it's that time of year again. This first hunt I'm gonna bring you, it happens right here at the Gar Hole where we are right now. Key to this hunt was the wind. We had a hard south wind. Now, our willows, which is our rest area of the woods, lays directly south of the Gar Hole, about 400 yards. So add in the wind and a lot of ducks. Those ducks to go to the willows have to come downwind to set up to go there. But when they do, with a hard wind, it pushes them right over the Gar Hole. You know, I had rather have clouds and hard wind as sun and no wind. And we had the clouds and the wind on this hunt. Hard calling to get their attention. We edited a lot of that out. But if you could ever get the ducks to break off the willows and go downwind of the Gar Hole, we were in the game. Hope you enjoy this hunt. Kill him. Here, no, here, right there. Come in. Right. Boy, them got about that high off the water. I seen those other two coming through.
I seen them trailing up the rear.
Yeah, I said, boy, if them two will come on.
Back.
Kill them.
Mark, right there. Jolie? Well, they did. They cooked it right.
All right, y'all. So in this situation, we had to cut out a bunch of the calling and stuff just to show you the dog work, the shots, and whatnot. But I want to take a second and give you just a quick calling tip of what works for me. Now, those ducks are wanting to go to those live ducks in our rest area. So you've got to get loud and blow hard until you break them off of them. So in this instance, the ducks are banking and they're trying to go to those other ducks. You want to stay on them and stay on them and stay on top as long and as hard as you have to until you get them to go downwind of your hole. For me, it would sound something like this. I'm talking about you hit them as hard and as loud as you can. Once you break them off those other ducks and they go downwind as they're coming over the top, I like to give them some feed call. All right, so now you feed calling. They've gone downwind, they've seen your spread, they've heard the calling. So now you've kind of got them. Let them go downwind as far as you can to get set up and then hit them hard one more time. That should do it in a lot of cases. At that point, do a little more feed, and then I like to finish them with a single cut. And you could cut on it just a little harder, cut, to finish those ducks and get them on down right. Now, call on my lanyard on this hunt. It's that yellow caramel colored Echo breaker. It's not your normal breaker. This is what it's, my signature series. That's a call it's modeled off of. So that's basically what I'm blowing on that hunt. If you like it, order one. The link will be in the description. But just a quick call and tip. Appreciate you. Today is all about calling. Hard south wind. If you can ever get them to buck the wind and go downwind of the hole, it's been over today. Call as loud and as hard as you can until they go downwind. Let the decoys and the jerk string and some single cuts do the rest. Been an absolute great hunt right here.
Kill them.
Kill him. Kill him. Atta girl.